Ever feel like your money just disappears into a black hole of subscriptions and small purchases you can't quite account for? I've been there. For years, I told myself I was saving, but my bank balance said otherwise. It wasn't until I started using Rocket Money that I realized habit building isn't about willpower, it's about the tools you have in your pocket. If you're trying to actually change your financial behavior, here are the 3 tools inside the app that completely shifted my mindset. First, let's talk about the subscription master list. This was a wake-up call for me. We all have that subscription amnesia where we forget about the $15 streaming service or the gym app we haven't opened since January. When I first linked my accounts, Rocket Money laid them all out in one clean list. Seeing the total monthly cost of my forgotten habits was the friction I needed. The habit builder here isn't just the cancellation service, it's the recurring view. It shows you exactly what is coming out of your account and when. Now, I check this once a week. It turned my passive spending into active awareness, which is the foundation of any good money habit. Second is the Smart Savings tool, or what I like to call savings on autopilot. I used to try and save whatever was left at the end of the month, which, surprise, was usually nothing. Rocket Money's AI analyzes my spending patterns and identifies small amounts I won't even miss, maybe $5 here or $10 there, and automatically moves them into a savings goal. Because the money leaves my account before I have the chance to spend it on a latte, I've built a $2,000 emergency fund without ever feeling the pinch. It removed the decision-making process entirely, which is the ultimate hack for habit consistency. Finally, the net worth tracker changed my perspective from how much can I spend today to how am I growing today. By linking my debt, my car's value, and my investment accounts, I get one single number that represents my financial health. Checking this has become a positive habit for me. Instead of the dread of looking at a credit card statement, I feel a hit of dopamine when I see that net worth line trending upward. It gamifies my finances and makes me want to choose saving over spending because I want to see that number move. Building better money habits doesn't have to be a chore if you let the tech do the heavy lifting for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.